Inside of the RadScout application, you can display background maps and files that assist with your survey collection. However, you must first become acquainted with the import and export process. It is recommended that you watch our video titled RadScout 1.3 RadSync Basics to become familiar. Once you have imported the background files to the tablet using the RadSync application, open the RadScout application from the tablet home screen. Navigate to the Background Layers drop-down menu. In the drop-down menu, you will see the files that you imported using the RadSync application. Additionally, you will also see any previous survey files that you have completed. You can use shapefiles, image files, and previous survey files as background layers. It is important to mention that you can only use survey files as a background layer after the file has been closed. To view a background layer, you must select the box next to the file description in the drop-down menu. Then select Done. If the background layer does not appear, select the Settings drop-down menu, represented by a gear. Select the toggle next to Show Background. The appearance of previous survey files can be altered using the legend feature inside of the RadScout application. This topic is described in our next video in the RadScout tutorial series, RadScout 1.5 Creating a Color Legend. A video in our RadScout series will also go into further detail on how to create background maps using GIS software. Any feedback or suggestions for additional RadScout videos is appreciated and can be sent to radscout@ergoffice.com.